how we did karaoke and failed miserably or became karaoke god.
It's something about the girl that just makes my head wanna twirl.
Okay, it didn't quite go like that. Let me take a step back. Give me a second. This story is about our family life abroad. We took our problems to the mic.
The thing is, we're doing karaoke.
In full 70s fashion.
I need to put my hands up.
So, the event starts at 9 p.m., it's 9:30 p.m., and we are still here. We don't know how this is going to turn out. It took me a while to get into character, but I am good now. Wait, why do you live in Netflix's Pablo Escobar's Colombia, Cocaine Colombia? I chose to live here because the smells, the sounds were way too different. Spanish, African, and indigenous cultures mix. I seek to connect with Africans worldwide through my black skin, aiming to understand our shared culture and what it means to them, as well as to myself, and do it all with the kiddo. Surrounded by rainforests, where Afro-Colombians and indigenous natives live a life side by side, sharing a city in one of the world's most biologically diverse environments. Can I tell you a secret? Now, traveling with your kids or training them up is such a beautiful gesture. It's so poetic. But in life, whatever you don't maintain will move away from you, and I've been seeing the need to maintain, especially when I started feeling like,
fuck them kids.
Fuck the kids?
Yeah.
2022 was not my best year. I went from eating octopus on the beach in Cancun, to living with my mom when my dad became unemployed, to living in a bando, to crime, to jail, all while trying to be to school at 8 a.m. Now we have relationship challenges, and we need to be intentional about making our relationship better.
Oh my God, baby!
what's up? Cash money.
Oh, they love it already.
Yeah. Yeah, so we out here. Huh? So, our main goal for being here is just to get me a quick drink before we reach our final destination. The taxi was 10,000 Colombian pesos or $2.50 in Aussie. This is how I prep myself for karaoke. I grab a bit of liquid courage.
My bro, baby. ¿Cómo está? Yo no.
Chimba,
Bien.
chimba. Mi hermano veo que algo.
Let's go.
Algo. Let's go. Vamos.
Hola.
Está aquí, ayúdate, está aquí o allá.
Estaba pensando que dónde está la música. ¿Estamos acá? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó?
Un guaro. Media.
Oye, voy a darle con la baila. ¿Cuándo baila? Oye.
¿Qué pasó? Oh, no hay. Ay, no hay. Ay, lo guaro. Ay, caramba. Ay. Ok, oye. Ya, cerveza.
¿Cerveza?
Sí.
¿Cerveza con qué?
Vale de guaro. ¿Qué quieres?
Michela con alcohol. O shot de tequila, de vodka.
What do you got? What do you got today, Regis?
Go read it, Sword.
What's her name? Acá estaría. Bienvenidos a tierra. Venga. You got it. She got no seasoning, but she hit that though. She hit that left.
Saying a lot. But what's on my mind right now is that I'm not ready for karaoke. My heart feels like it's about to burst from my chest. But maybe I can do it next time. I wonder what would Dad think.
I'm walking in. So as I'm walking in, all that I realize is that the place is electric. I feel that ball at the bottom of my stomach now. And I realize I fear failure. But one thing that I think about is that most people here have failed, are failing, or are failures. So if I do happen to fail, I'll be normal. I should be more concerned about if I succeed and the fear associated with trying to maintain a life of constant success. I have never seen so many people in here. It is crazy. Is it juicy? It's juicy.
Okay, so there's like 3 seats up there in the front, right there by the comedian board. I see it. Yeah, there's over 3 seats up there, but it's in like the main table up there. You want to sit up there?
I'm about to do absolutely horrible.
You can sit down. You're supposed to be in character.
I'm in character. I'm just thinking like there's so many people. There's so many people. So the best spot might be like right there in the center, right there by the computer. hombre les hizo con este. Y luego el hombre lo dice todo lo que puede. Ya sabe que el hombre gana dinero para comprarles a otros hombres. Este es un mundo del hombre. Pero no valdría nada sin una mujer o una chica. Perdido en el desierto, está perdido en la amargura, está perdido en la soledad. Es un mundo. Gracias. Have you caught the karaoke mug yet? Ooh, the karaoke mug. What is that?
Ay, sí. La demora, por favor.
Yeah. Walk it like I talk it. 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 That's a tough. Wait a minute. What? Diamonds. These niggas bought their fame. Yeah. Public service announcement. Don't give up on your kids. Most of all, don't give up on you.
Sometimes I make mistakes in my life, but I'm trying so hard to make it right. Even though sometimes I make mistakes in my life, life goes on and on and on and on and on.
So, as a group.
Al día siguiente. Al día siguiente.
I just finished though.
Keep going, let me see.
I'm gonna just stop right here. Mucho lo que suele pasar al día siguiente en España lo llaman, no me acuerdo de la palabra. Les resaca, sí, en España se llama resaca. Y en Colombia o Sudamérica